I don't know about you, but I want my muffins to taste like cupcakes. These muffins are just a tad less sweet and rich than cupcakes, but they have the same melt in your mouth cake texture that most muffin recipes lack. You have to try this recipe to see for yourself what happens when a muffin reaches its full potential. I added blueberries, but you can add any fruit, chocolate chips, or nuts. Cream together 2/3 cup of sugar and a 1/2 cup of oil. Whisk in 1 egg. Mix in a 1/3 cup of whole milk, and a 1/2 cup of sour cream. I used Greek yogurt here instead, but use sour cream if you want your muffins to be very rich. Now add a 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla, now whisk in your pre-mixed dry ingredients, which are 1 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon baking powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Do not overmix. Some lumps are fine. Now mix in a little less than a cup of fresh or frozen blueberries. Mix gently. Spoon your batter into muffin liners. They will bake more evenly if you fill every other cup. Top with extra blueberries and a sprinkle of sugar. If you have coarse sugar, use that. Bake in a preheated 375-degree oven for around 20 minutes or until a toothpick comes out clean or with moist crumbs. Do not overbake. Cool for a few minutes and enjoy.